My name is Laura Content and I'm an instructor with Lake Oswego Parks and Recreation. And today I'm going to teach you a really simple recipe, something great to have on hand at home. Doesn't take any special equipment. It's homemade mason jar mayonnaise. And we have a word of the day today. It is emulsion. That is a blend of two liquids with a third liquid that acts as a binder. So you're going to see that in action. Okay, so I start with one whole egg. I'm going to crack it into my mason jar. All right. Next, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. I like to add about a teaspoon. A little bit more is just fine. I need a little bit of mustard. This is actually our emulsifier. So this is the ingredient that's acting as the binder in our cold sauce here. And then before I start blending this up, I'm going to add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. This mayonnaise is delicious using 100% olive oil, which is what we're going to be using today. However, my favorite type of oil to use is avocado. But of course, we don't all have all of the ingredients that we want right now. So, we can use whatever we have. If we have canola, that's fabulous. If you have something really fancy like macadamia, go for that. But yes, today we have extra virgin olive oil. So I added just a little bit of the oil to start, and I'm a little bit far away from my electrical outlet, but here we go. So I'm just on a low speed, and you can see that the blending is already taking place and we're getting the emulsion. Alright, so with the blender at an angle, I'm just going to add more oil. So all of these droplets of oil are getting suspended in our base mixture of the lemon and the egg. Alright, it's getting nice and thick now. You can see that. Almost up to the top of the jar. And I've made this so many times that I don't measure anymore. Just looking for the right consistency. It's probably about a cup of oil. All right. Okay, so I'm going to take my spoon now and just scrape off the blender. Okay, this beautiful, rich, creamy sauce. And once you have this in your refrigerator, you'll find yourself using it in so many different ways. My son, who's 6, loves it as a dip for his veggies. We use it as a base for salad dressing. You can add blue cheese to it. You can add a little bit of anchovy and garlic to make a fresh Caesar dressing. Of course, it's delicious on sandwiches or however you usually eat mayonnaise. Then I add my salt to taste. This is kosher salt. I'm adding about a teaspoon. Alright, I just stir it in, and I just check the flavor balance. It's really tasty. I hope that you try this at home. Thank you for watching today.